Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Deltaco gaming keyboard typing wrong characters. So basically what you'll need to do is this simple method is just to unplug your keyboard and plug back in. It will do a reset because this keyboard doesn't have a mechanical reset by doing with keys. So basically you just can reset by unplugging it and plugging it back again, and it should fix your problem. If not, check if keys order is right. As you can see, all the keys on my screen, and that's pretty much it, guys. So that's how you fix the issue, just unplugging and plugging back again. If this doesn't work still, just try another port, and there is no other solution how you can fix that. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, like this video, and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.